the resurrection. Is the group harder than an erection that shows no affection? They wanna ban us on Capitol Hill.
Just in case, cause even you unsigned rappers are hungry, looking at me like it's lunchtime. I know there was a time where one side was king of the underground, but I still rap like I'm on my Pharaoh Munch grind.
Fuck you.
Just give me a chance.
Sorry, no time. Galaxy in jeopardy. Get back out there. And remember, you can do anything. As long as you're me. Next! I'm going to rape you! Get me out of these tiny blue neck towns.
Oh shit, shake that ass while moving like a gypsy. Stop, all back it up now, let me see your hips.
Of all my brilliant creations, it remains one of my favorites. Meet the Rhino, as in, rip you a new one.
Hey, Nefarious. What?
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now.
Long live the king.
Paralyzed Horse Log, July 3rd, 3085. Every day I hear and I see eternity. I am frozen in awe of my knowledge of forever. But I belong only to one girl.
Ready for your massage, Dr. Nefarious?
I didn't send for a massage. Go away.
Would you cut me a break, pal? I mean,
Would you just open the door, please?
Hey there.
that's a huge bitch!
Summon, I'm a doom, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me and it'll glue to you and devastating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off to be celebrating, cause I know the way to get them motivated. I make elevating music, you make elevator music.
The fuck is this? The fuck is that? The fuck are those?